Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you our recipe for making cheesy pepperoni pizza pull-apart bread. This is an easy recipe. There's just 6 ingredients and it's ready in less than 30 minutes. And then you've got this delicious cheesy snack. It's perfect for game day parties, it's great for a quick dinner, and you'll love it tucked into lunches. Now let me show you how to make this. First, you'll need a sturdy loaf of crusty bread. I'm using a ciabatta loaf. You could also use sourdough or a hearty country loaf. A nice dense bread is important. It makes those pieces hold together better as we pull them off. Use a sharp serrated knife to slice the loaf into a diamond, criss-cross or crosshatch pattern. Slicing diagonally first in one direction, and I'm cutting almost all the way down to the bottom crust, but not quite, so that the loaf will stay together. Then flip the loaf around and slice it in the opposite direction, and see how this makes the crosshatch pattern. Just be careful, watch your fingers near the sides, because as you cut the bread, it'll become less stable. So keep your fingers out of the way. And this bread is ready. Next, melt about a half cup of butter, that'll be about 8 tablespoons. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it all together. Shred the mozzarella cheese. I'm using about 16 ounces of low moisture mozzarella, and this is going to melt really well into all of these little crevices and cracks. And if you don't have a block of mozzarella, you can also use string cheese here. Place the bread on a sheet pan covered with foil. Then spoon the garlic butter over the bread and get it all in between the slices of bread. Then add the pizza sauce. And it's okay if it's messy. Get it into all of the corners. Hey, if you'd like to see more of our easy recipes that are quick and delicious, hit the like button to let me know. I make this other stuffed bread that is like a cheesy chili bowl, and I thought you might like to see that one. Press the thumbs up if that sounds good to you. Okay, next, tuck in most of the cheese all over the loaf, and be generous with it, but save about a half of a cup. We're going to use that on the top. This cheese will get super melty and it'll ooze into all of the cracks, and it'll give you that super cheesy pull that everyone loves. Layer the pepperoni between the slices, and you'll probably need about 10 or 15 slices of pepperoni for the loaf. But add more if you're a pepperoni lover, plus any of your other favorite pizza toppings. Spoon over the rest of the melted garlic butter, and then sprinkle about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning over the top. Now wrap the foil around the bread and make a seal at the top, and this will help the cheese melt. Pop it into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for about 15 minutes. Then take out the loaf and peel back the foil. Doesn't this look incredible? Add the half cup of mozzarella cheese that you saved, and then put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Serve this pizza pull-apart bread immediately so the cheese is all rich and gooey and cheesy. This is one of those dishes that is so delicious, it's hard to resist, and I know I can't stop at just one bite. And if you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. It'll let me know that you want some more recipes like this, and I've got this other one that uses our crock pot chili. It's a delicious mix of a bread bowl and the chili and cheese. It's really amazing. And if this is your first time at our channel, we've got lots of easy and delicious recipes, step-by-step tutorials, and I've put together a playlist for you to get you started. Thanks so much for watching. I enjoyed our time together, and I'll see you in the next video.